little sweeter.
Yesterday because of how tired we were on the road and everything, but we're on the road now going to El Macheto. I'll get back to you guys when we reach there because there's a heavy sound and it's raining too. It's raining, so yeah. So this is how you send on your cart. You take the escalator down with your cart and your cart is going down. Your cart is going down well. I'm going down with it. No, you hold it or it stop down there. It stop right here. Now you get your cart. Oh my god. Jamaica need them upgrade them people. Jamaica need them upgrade them. Mommy, the water? Huh? Where find the water? So yeah, we're looking for toothpaste though to see if they have it like good pricing. This is the kids one for $1.59. Wow. Alright, so we're gonna look something cold to drink. I'm so thirsty, people. Facilitate me. Eh? You all see that Jamaica is super expensive. Look at the size for one of these for 95 cents, 84 cents. Huh? These in the boxes are 40 cents. Jamaica, listen. Guys, who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Say hello to Mr. Bolt. Listen. He's everywhere. Everywhere. I'm not sure what they're getting. We're looking for coconut powder. I got pineapple. I look for coconut powder. I'm looking for they call it peas in the we've already cooked already. Today is Sunday. We're going to go to a restaurant, but we changed our mind, so not today, another time.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to.
Alright guys, so today I did not vlog. Yes, I did. I started the vlog at some point. And then I put down the camera, never but I took up the camera. It was raining, and we went to El Macheto, or is it El Machetazos?
So guys, it's actually El Machetazos, and this is like the Panamanian Walmart. You get everything that you normally get at Walmart inside here, and the stores, they can be found all over the entire city of Panama.
Whatever, El Machet, whatever one name in Spanish. So now I'm currently at ALTAPLAZA Mall. We got pizza. Babe just got with the pizza here. So babe came in with the pizza. We got pizza. We got a Coke. Whoa. We got Domino's pizza, and it came with some chicken and so forth. But guys, this mall is so pretty. Like. The view and all of that. I'll show you guys some more when we're leaving. We're gonna have some of this and then we're going to leave. Mommy did not came. Mommy is sleeping, but we actually cooked Sunday dinner at the house. So yeah. What show them not be for your selfish show. So this is boneless chicken, it seems like, not true?
Nuggets,
nuggets? Alright, nuggets. What sauce we got? Ranch? And we got honey, barbecue, ranch, And for the, we have opened the box number Gina. Hawaiian. We got a Hawaiian pizza, so yeah. So we're going to chill and then yeah. Alright guys, so this is what I was talking about, where you have the nice pretty view. Yeah. But we are leaving now. We are leaving now, so we're going down. Where are we going? We're not going down escalator? Alright. I wonder what's the name of this one though, this exit here. But this is the car part, babe. At the car part, so let's go back to the other one. Yeah guys, so where? Not there? Alright, so Malak and we're going home now. So yeah, we're just trying to find an exit to leave this place. So yeah, today was not planned for, never planned for this. We just the woman say welcome on the road. Honestly, the clothes I'm having, the clothes I'm careful wearing in the yard. I never dress or nothing. That's the entrada. Entrance. Oh. Alright, so you want to go? A car, I see a car park. Let's still get in. How far that part there? Huh? To put the Uber, we have to find the exit point, but they're like different names for different exit points. So, yeah. Yep. There's another section here with a lot of balloon. I like how they work on, you know, making the thing look so nice. The concept, because you have this part here, that part here, you have the part down at the bottom down there. So, yeah. Alright guys, so we are currently outside and we are waiting on our Uber. If you ask me where babe gone, me no know. I feel like he got, oh no, I think I'm massive. I gotta take off a little bit. So we're outside, we're waiting on Uber to come. So we're outside of the mall. The Uber is like 5 minutes away. 5 minutes away. So that's what's up. Yep. I mean, we want to go home. As I said, we left the yard and the yard closed. Huh?
I just work with them sometime.
With what?
I tell you, so you can exit from up.
Exit from up there, sir?
Yes, see, exit left right there, so you walk come down, sir.
I'll come down. Oh. Well, we have to learn, not true.
No, but you don't want to listen.
You don't want to listen. You don't want to listen. So we came in, as I said, the clothes of my van. I brought this here to wear in the yard, but then we decided that, well, my charger is not functioning. And I said, babe, I want to go get a charger. And we were going to go to the mall that we went to before, which was, I was going to go there. Babe said, why not go to a different mall that we have never been to? So we looked up for ALTAPLAZA, and that's where we're at. We're at ALTAPLAZA. So yeah. Yeah, guys. I did went ahead and got some stuff too. Let me show you. Not my lashes falling out. I can't wait for them to drop out, people. Them are mad me. Them are mad me. They're so annoying. Like, I got some stuff at Bath and Body Works. I'm not sure Bath and Body Works yet because them have a sale with when I cut it 2 for $22. Which you're gonna pay $11 and something for one because they know I plus tax. Now I cut it, so we are will on that one day. So yeah. But I got some stuff in Forever 21 today. 2 big bags. Yeah. So guys, the outside, I'm just done talk about Uber. I'm gonna check it. The Uber canceled. The first Uber canceled our ride. So we are waiting on another one that is gonna be here in 8 minutes. So me and babe just wait. Just wait. So yep. So as I said, I got some stuff at Forever 21. Yep.